Did you know holding in a sneeze can be dangerous? When you stifle a sneeze, the pressure inside your nasal passages and eardrums increases dramatically. This can lead to a ruptured eardrum, nosebleeds, or even damage to blood vessels in your eyes. Sneezing is your body's way of expelling irritants, so holding it entraps those particles inside, potentially causing infections. In rare cases, it can even lead to serious complications like a collapsed lung or ruptured throat. Next time you feel a sneeze coming, let it out. It's safer for your body and helps you avoid these risks. For more tips, visit docus.ai.